So, hi guys, this is Beth from Katata Wellness, and it's Technique Tuesday. And today we're going to do a frozen shoulder protocol. So, frozen shoulder is also called adhesive capsulitis, and it is severe degeneration of range of motion in the shoulder, and basically people can't move their shoulder very much, and particularly have trouble reaching behind their back. And so cupping protocol, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our first cup and we're gonna put it like right over the acromion. And then our next cups are gonna go kind of on the edge of the posterior and anterior deltoids. Now, when you're first using cups, I don't want you to use a whole lot of suction or leave them on for an incredibly long time. They say you can leave cups on for up to 10 minutes, but that's honestly really too long. You want to start out with no longer than 2 minutes and light to medium suction. You can improve the suction, and make it deeper, but I still probably wouldn't leave cups on longer than 5 minutes at any point. Cups actually bring blood flow to the area and help to increase range of motion and loosen up tight joints or tight muscles. And so we've got one on the acromion, one on the posterior deltoid, one on the anterior deltoid. We're gonna leave this for maybe up to 5 minutes, but no longer. And that should help improve range of motion over time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you next week.